Welcome to our channel, where we will explore together the incredible power of prayer and how it can transform our lives. Brothers and sisters, today we unite in prayer in honor of Saint Michael the Archangel, the powerful defender of the faith and protector against the forces of evil. In the midst of the spiritual battles we face daily, we invoke your intercession to guide, protect, and strengthen us. May this prayer be an act of faith and devotion, strengthening our connection with the divine and renewing our trust in heavenly protection. Let us bring our hearts and minds together in this sacred moment of communion with Saint Michael the Archangel. Saint Michael the Archangel protects us from everything that traps us and brings us down, from the evils of modern life, from everyday traps, demonic temptations, and our fears. Prayer to Saint Michael the Archangel. Saint Michael the Archangel, defend us in combat. Be our refuge against the wickedness and snares of the devil. God command him, we instantly ask, and you, Prince of the heavenly militia, by divine virtue, cast Satan into hell. And to all the evil spirits that walk around the world to lose souls. Saint Michael the Archangel, defend and protect us. Amen. Curiosities about the prayer to Saint Michael the Archangel. We celebrate Archangel Saint Michael's Day on September 29th. He is considered the special patron of sick people, police officers, and sailors. The first reference to Saint Michael in the Bible is in the book of Daniel, in which he is called Great Prince, who stands up for the children of your people. We thank Saint Michael the Archangel for his presence and intercession in our prayer. May your protection accompany us in every moment of our lives, strengthening us in spiritual battles, guiding us towards divine light. May we live with courage, faith, and confidence in the victory of good over evil. May the blessing of Saint Michael the Archangel descend upon us and all those we love, now and forever. Amen. If you liked the video, remember to like, subscribe, share, and activate the bell.